is going to mark Captain today. Now again, that right there was called the Hamilton turn. The Hamilton turn is a 360-degree turn on the face of the water. Now I'm going to make my way to the back of the boat. Everyone on this side, please watch your arms. For the day today. Now at this time, I'm going to make my way back up to the front of the boat, so I do ask everyone on my right side to please watch your arms. Now the height of the waves in our Class 5 rapids span from about 10 to 12 feet. Again, 10 to 12 feet is the height of our water here. So again, just some more information about these rapids. Alright everybody, do those rapids look like fun? Alright, anybody want to jump out and go for a swim at this time? No, good answer. 6 rapids. Now to climb out rapids safely again with the help of our flat bottom boat. We can do a little bit of a dance move. And the dance move is called a bump, drop, and slide. And as always, obviously we are heading into a massive wave. So I'm going to ask you guys, please make sure you are holding on at all times. Alright, and here we go for our dance move. So what we're going to do is we are going to pop up this massive wave. And we're going to drop down it. And then we are going to use all 1,500 horsepower on board to throw us up these massive Class 5 rapids. But have you guys take a look at the shoreline and then at the water, you'll see how quickly it is moving. The water in this area is moving about 25 miles per hour. Now I know when you're in the car and you're going 25, it does not seem that fast. However, when you are in the water, it's a little bit faster than what you would like. So again, just a little bit more information about our water here. In front of you. Scooch your from all the way to the back of that seat, setting up nice and straight and looking forward at all times. Again, at the end of the run, I'll be asking for a big thumbs up, just letting me know everyone's having a good time. Anyways, any problems or emergencies, please give me a big tap on the head. Alright, everybody, so here we go. I'm going to call this Run the Truth. If you've never seen your girlfriend, friend, or spouse without makeup on, you are about to. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. And you guys are doing great. We got still more waves to come. Again, let's make sure we are keeping our faces far away from that bar in front of us. Also, please make sure you are timing your breath. And still a few more waves here. Alright everybody, can I please get a big thumbs up from everyone on our boat today? Alright, so yet again you guys are looking a little bit damp, but not wet enough, so we're going to head back up to those Class 5 rapids there. We are going to do that again. most pretty, the most consistent number one power. Most people know to about 35,000 pounds. That's the last full safety positions. And again, please make sure you're staying seated as well as keeping all arms and objects within our vessel here at all times. Alright, I'm going to call this run here the 10,000 gallon nasal flush. If any of you guys are okay with this stuffy nose, you will not have one after this run. And here we go for our second full run in 3, 2, and 1. Again, still much more to go here. Let's make sure we are ready. And again, our boat can slam at any time. So I ask you to please make sure your bum is screwed all the way to the back of that seat. And again, still more to come. Guys, to give it up for our captain today. Now to become a captain here at Whirlpool Tours, you do have to have quite a bit of training. You have to train for a minimum of a year and a half. Now the reason for that is because we have 3 different engines aboard. Now think about how confusing it would be to operate one engine, let alone 3. So again, we can rest in the back of all of our captains here. That's actually Captain H.R. Again, it does what he is doing. Now if you guys look straight up, you'll see some large tables. Called the Niagara River, and this connects Canadian side to Canadian side. Really good aerial view of these Class 6 rapids as well as the Niagara Whirlpool, which we just exited. And in front of us again are the Class 6 rapids. Now these rapids are some of the biggest and baddest rapids we have in all of North America. Now I know that I do look quite similar to our Class 5 rapids, however there are some major differences. Now the first difference is going to be the speed of the water. As I said earlier, in our Class 5 rapids, the speed of the water moves at about 25 miles per hour, whereas here in the Class 6 rapids, the water moves at about 35 miles per hour. Another difference we have is the height of the waves. As I said earlier, in the Class 5 rapids, the water and the height of those waves span from about 10 to 12 feet. Whereas here in the Class 6s, they span from 20 to 25 feet. Especially over in the center of those Class 6 rapids to the left. Over there, they are all a minimum of 25 feet. So again, just giving you a little bit better idea for how crazy these rapids really are. Again, as I said earlier, all rapids in the world are rated from a scale of 1 to 6, and these are the 6. These are the craziest and baddest that they come. Now, if you want to have a closer look at the Class 6 rapids, there's something called the Whitewater Walk. Now, the Whitewater Walk is a boardwalk that allows you to hike along those Class 6 rapids. Now, unfortunately, it is illegal for us to head up there deep by the CBSA and the American Border Patrol. Now, let's just say we were to try to head up into those rapids. Our boat here, we would have more than enough power to do so. However, we would be taking on so much water that our boat would not be able to bail it out fast enough, then giving us too much weight in our vessel, then eventually giving us a beautiful tour of the bottom of the river here, which I'm pretty sure we are not going for today, is it? No, it's not. So how does it sound if we head back to our Class 5 rapids and do some more playing around in there? Now again, in front of us there is the Niagara Whirlpool. A little bit of how that is created. So because that water is moving so quickly from those Class 6 rapids, it's unable to make that 90-degree turn there to the right. So it has no choice but to bounce off that back wall, turn the water into counterclockwise fashion, then obviously creating our Niagara Whirlpool. And as we head out of our Niagara Whirlpool, we have to pick up some bumps. I'm going to make my way back up to the front of the boat. So I ask everyone on my left side, please watch your arms. Alright, so I'm just going to ask everyone, if you guys have on this road, just you have to stand up and just go grab that camera. Alright everybody, are we having a good time so far? Alright, is anybody dry? No. Yes? You dry? Alright, we're going to change that. We're going to head back to our Class 5 rapids again, and we're going to send you guys down them again. Now if any of you guys aren't interested in hiking on the Canadian side, if you guys take a look to the left, on the top of that wall there, you'll notice a house-like structure. Now that is not a house, that is something called the Niagara Nature Center, and again, that is where your hike would begin if you want to hike along our Canadian side. Now just behind that structure there is a very tall, large metal staircase that brings you down that very large wall there, then allowing you to have a safe hike along our Niagara Gorge. Now if any of you guys are interested in hiking along the Niagara Gorge, I would highly recommend staying far away from the water and definitely not going swimming in here. Now again, obviously as you can tell, our water here is very dangerous and our water levels can actually fluctuate from about 5 to 7 feet in the span of 5 seconds. So I do ask you guys to please, again, if you do decide to go hiking, stay far away from the water. Alright, and here we go for our last and final run today. So we are going to make it a good one. Again, please make sure you are getting into those whitewater safety positions, and you never know, you might catch a fish this run and give you a free dinner later on. Here we go for our final run. And you guys are doing great. Again, still more to come here. Again, more waves. Let's make sure we are staying seated at all times as well as holding onto that bar in front of us with both hands. Here we go again. And another one. And another one on the right. There we go. Everybody's going to make thumbs up from everyone on our boat today. Alright guys, so just talking here with our captain, we do have some extra time. Alright everybody, let's give it up for our captain H. By giving us a great and safe drive through these rapids. Now yet this time you guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride all the way back to our dock.